Daddy, I really need to ask you something.
What is it, Twily?
Where do foals come from?
Oh, can't you go ask your mother about that?
I really want to know. Tell me, please.
Okay, Twily. If a stallion and a mare fall in love, they sometimes share beds together to have a talk about the birds and the bees later. And then I got your mother pregnant. And then we got you. Did you get all that, Twily? 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 Twilight! Snap out of it, sweetie! Twilight!
Oh, my poor baby girl.
I'm never gonna forgive myself for the rest of my life.
You thought I was dead?